to measure it in clock, yes, Audrey? Meters, very good. What about rainfall? Rainfall is measured in what units? Yes, Esther? Millimeters, very good, millimeters. What about a car? When your dad and your mom are driving, you say the distance, that distance that they are driving is measured in kilometers, very good, Asha, kilometers. Now remember I said, if you are going to add measurements and you have say 63 meters, add 14 meters. What is the most important thing even after getting the answer? Let's add. What is 3 and 4, hands up? What is 3 and 4? 3 plus 4, yes, Anthony?
7.
7, very good. What is 6 and 1, class? 7. What is the most important thing to write there after? Yes? Meters. Meters is very important. The word meters is very important. Remember, we are also going to look, now that is length. Length. We measure it in meters. Remember, we are also going to look at packets of milk. Packets of milk. And we said if this is one, this packets of milk, we said we are going to measure in which units? Liters. Milk we are going to measure using liters. So that is one packet. And you have another packet. This is another 1 liter and 1 liter. Do the packets of milk look like this? Yes. Or they are in circle? No. What is the shape of a packet of milk? What is the shape? Triangle. Very good. Now, if I have 1 liter and I have another 1 liter, how many liters are these? Answer. I have 1 liter of milk and another 1 liter, yes? 2 liters. Very good. This is 2 liters. Now, always remember to put the unit. To put the unit. You can either have which unit? Centiliters, liters, meters, milliliters, kilometers. Am I clear?
Yes.
So all those units are used in our day-to-day life. When you're drinking water, when you're buying water in the supermarket, you buy the bottles of water. Yes. You can buy 1 liter. Sometimes there is the 500, the small ones in your. Yes. And sometimes you can have the 1 liter. You can have the 1 liter. Now, I'm sure this is a topic we started on yesterday. Very good. I can see some people finished their work yesterday. Now, what I want is please write the date. Using the pen, write the date. Let's start. Write the date first. Write the date. Remember what I told you about holding the pen. Holding the pen. Write the date. Skip a light, write the date. Skip a light, write the date. Underline your date using a pencil. Don't use the pen. To underline, use a pencil. Why is it pouring? Or this is dry? Okay. Hey, it's pouring. You wipe it. Wipe the pen. Please remember, children, don't pour ink on your book. Don't pour ink on your book. Very good. Good handwriting. Write the date. After you have written the date, remember as always, today we are going to use progressive maths. As always, that is what you are going to write, the book. Write the date, 27. Don't put for me 27. 27. Make the handwriting neat. Put the lid behind here. That's when it's going to be comfortable. Alright. After you have done that, write the book, progressive math, subtraction. Subtraction. And that is what you write as the heading. Subtraction. Remember about your handwriting? Make your handwriting smart. And underline. Subtraction. Put this lid like yes. It makes the pen firm. It makes the pen firm. Rule your book on this side. Very good, Asha. That is good at writing. Good, Amos. Did you come with the pen? It's writing today. If it's going to pour ink, don't use it. If it pours ink, don't use it. But next time you start from here so that the word can fit. Because you see we have progressive maths. What do you want? Put this one here. Give a ruler. When somebody is asking for a ruler, you give a ruler. Close your pen if you want to rule. Alright. If you have written that, open your book. Page 46, open your book. Don't fold this. Proper answer. So you're going to arrange like that. Esther, please be careful when you're arranging your numbers. We said every number should fit in its own
box.
In its own
box.
So don't, and remember to arrange properly. Am I clear?
Yes.
And you start working it out. That is the only way you can get the answer. So let's start. We are doing 1 to 10 because of time. 1 to 10. Remember, ink we don't rub. What do? You cross. And what are you going to use to cross? Pencil. Let's go. She doesn't have. Kimani, what don't you have? People are writing. Use my ruler. Okay. Very good. Put this one away now. Put it away. Handwriting, don't fold your book. Sit properly. And I said this, you put, I'm waiting for you to rule this page. That is what I said. What don't you have? Let's see, you can share. Get a pencil from a coach. You help me, now. What is it? The answer? We said the answer you're giving it to the? Yes. Pencil. Sit properly, sit properly. What is your back doing on your head? Don't fold, don't put the dog ears on your book. Please, I don't like this. Martin, don't squeeze your work too much. Make sure your pen does not fall. Now this is a mistake, okay? Because you're supposed to give the answer with a pencil and you rule the book with a pencil. Hurry up, hurry up. Sharpen that pencil, Michelle. Can you start writing? Stop writing exercise and everything. You've already written progressive math. Good, Amos. A number in its own box. The answer, please remember the units, meters. The answer in a pencil. Write your answer in a pencil. I said you keep a line after the answer to rule the book. Remember, that is what I said. Can you continue? What do you want to wrap down? You've already ruled. Michelle, don't forget these small things. Is this an answer? This one. Can I have it written properly? I can't see what you have written there, sharp. Amos, I said after the answer you skip a line to you underline on the next line. Is that clear? Yes, don't underline very close to the answer. Good, Esther. That's your pen. Why is it written like this? Or how are you holding it like this? Like this. No, you can't hold it combo like that. Good, right? So you have to hold it sideways. Good, right? Okay, but the ink. Actually sit properly, sit straight, sit straight. Asha has a ruler, you have to keep calling out. Here you have not started. Now after you have written, don't touch the ink with your hands. That's why now Michelle, yours is big. You're rubbing, you're putting so much ink everywhere. Because the ink has to dry. Class, once you've written, if you have written that letter, I'm talking. Once you have written the number, please don't put your hand there again. Why? Because the ink is not dry. You understand? So if you put your hand there, then what are you going to do? You will spread the ink on your book, okay? So don't take your hand back there again. That is wrong. You let the ink dry. So you just continue downwards, downwards. If you put your hand there on your finger, you're going to spread the ink everywhere. Then your work will look untidy. And when they say you place the lid? Behind the pen, to make the pen firm as you're holding it. Now remember, even when you are carrying, when you're done carrying, what are you using to carry? A pencil or a pen? A pencil. A pencil. Yes? But there are two rulers. This one and a smaller. Where is it? The small ruler. I've seen it here. Use a ruler to and this is straight. Remember to number your work. I must see the units, meters. This you also put with a pencil. And you know that, Marty. Why are you doing it with a pen? Why are you doing it with a pen? And here you use it. And you're supposed to use a ruler to rule this. Yes. You're supposed to use a ruler to put this, to get the equals. Don't use a pen. Am I clear? Don't use a. And look at the number. Marty, let's look at this. The next one, we will not use a pen. Now, how this? You're going to skip 1, 2, then you come 1, 2, 3. Why are you not making your work tidy? Guys, here you skip 1, 2, 3, and here 1, 2. Only skip 2 or 1. Let me show you. Right. Even the equals, for you to get the answer, you're using a pencil. Don't use a pen. Don't use a pen. Am I clear? Yes. Even the equal sign, you use a pencil. I don't want to see this. Even the equals, you use a pencil. That is the rule I was asking for. You're telling me you don't. I don't see problem. Put the equals with a ruler. Drawing it. You grab that. Use a ruler. Even the equals, use a ruler. Class 3. You are not in class 1. You're in class 3. Use a ruler, even the equal side. I say, even when you're putting the equals, you use a pencil and a ruler. Don't use a pen. It makes your work untidy. Yes, come in. Let me see now. Now, did you use a ruler to put the equals? But what kind of a ruler? Is it broken? Now, what number is this, Martin? So, can you cross all that? Do the question here. Cross that question. Do it here. Why are you confusing, Martin, and the numbers are there? Remember, I said I don't want to see dog ears on your book. Good rabbin. Good rabbin. Avoid a lot of mistakes, because then if you keep crossing with a pen, your work is not tidy. Avoid. Now, this is what I say. Use a pencil. Do you have a pencil? Take a pencil from my pouch. Sit properly. Stop putting dog ears on your book. Even the equals you put with a pencil and a ruler. Remember the sign is take away, so don't add. Remember the sign is taking away. What is it, Rabi? A ruler. If you sit like that, then you fold your book. 1 to 10. Be very careful when you're doing a taking away. Very good. When is it number 7? Good. What do you want to be there? Deborah, pass the ruler. Okay, have you understood? You put the equal with that pencil.